Check out this new generation M18 twin pack by Milwaukee. This includes an M18 FPD3 drill and M18 FID3 impact driver. The M18 FID3 fuel impact driver is compact in design and works with all the Milwaukee M18 batteries. This drill generates 226 Nm of torque and can do up to 4,000 RPM and 4,400 impacts per minute. To maximize application versatility, it can be shifted into 4 different speed settings. It has a drill setting on it that automatically adjusts speed, impacts and torque. It has 1/4 inch hex chuck for a quick and easy bit change. There is inbuilt LED light and belt clip for easy maneuver. The M18 FPD3 fuel combi drill is compact in design and works with all the Milwaukee M18 batteries. This drill generates 158 Nm of torque and can drill up to 89 mm in wood and 16 mm in masonry and steel. Milwaukee launched its all-new protection feature known as Auto Stop. The advanced sensor in the drill prevents the over-rotation of the drill for enhanced safety. It has a 13 mm all-metal chuck for good bit retention and increased durability. This drill has a 2-speed power control on the top and 16-speed driver settings. There is inbuilt LED light and belt clip for easy maneuver. This twin pack comes with 2 5-amp lithium-ion batteries, one 240-volt multi-volt fast charger and one HD box. Shop this twin pack today at toolsfortrade.co.uk.